Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons when comparing condos versus single family, which one makes sense for your first purchase. Get ready.
They ask me how I know it'll be okay.
This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area, and I want to help everyone get real. R-E-A-L. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're talking about single families versus condos, or condos versus single families, however you want to set them up to go head to head. But we're going to talk about 5 things to consider when you're deciding which one you're going to buy first. This is going to be completely dependent upon your lifestyle, your needs. But let's talk about 5 things that I do like to go through with first-time buyers. So let's talk about personal safety and personal choice. Do you want to live alone in a house where you have that entire yard to yourself and it's just you? Or do you want to live in a community where you know there are people next door, shared walls, and a security team in place because you're living in a high-rise building? That's 1. 2, let's talk about utilities, right? Utilities in condos tend to be less expensive because you have less area to heat or cool down versus a single family with more compartmentalized rooms and more spaces, thus bigger utility systems that you have to pay for entirely on your own. Now, cost is not everything when it comes to just utilities because it's also expenses. Mortgage, HOA fees. You're like, aha, Lucky, condos come with HOA fees. They absolutely do. Condos come with HOA fees where traditional houses don't. However, traditional houses, you have to take care of the maintenance yourself. Condos, it's taken care of. So it kind of balances out, maybe seesaws a little bit. And then you have to also consider the financing for one. If you're looking at condos, right, then you may already have started to realize that financing a condo is not the easiest thing in the world, right? Check out this video here if you want to know, over here, if you want to know why it's so hard to finance a condo. But don't go yet, because there's still more I want to talk to you about in this video, right? Beyond financing a single family house, on the other side, financing a single family house, typically pretty straightforward. Anywhere from 3 to 99 to 100% down, right? Depending on what program you're using. But condos are just a little bit trickier. Moving past that, the other thing we've got to talk about when you're comparing single families to condos is location, location, location. Isn't that the #1 rule in real estate? Condos are found in cities where everything is close by. All your amenities, you can live, work, and play, all within a little area. Where when you live in a single family home, it's quite expensive to live in a city in a single family home and have all your amenities nearby. Typically those are a little bit more outside of the city. And while that may be great and now you have the space, again, it comes down to what do you want for your lifestyle? Do you want the space, the tranquility, the peace and quiet with the picket white fence? Or do you want to be in the hustle and bustle of things? Have all your work, life, balance, friends, everything just nearby for you. So those are the 5 things I like to go over and consider when you're deciding between single family versus condo for your first purchase. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.